everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to return a Petco online order using an app. Let's get started. First, open the Petco app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Account Profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you are on your account, please tap on Orders. Now you will see a list of your recent online orders. Find the order you want to return and tap on it. On the order details page, look for a return item or start a return. Tap on it, select the item you want to return and choose any reasons. Tap Continue and submit. Petco will now show your return options. Follow the instructions shown on your screen. If returning by mail, Petco give you a return label. If returning in store, just bring the item and your order's details. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to return a Petco online order using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.